Some people might think redoing a bathroom is a crappy job, but I'm up for the challenge. Not only do celebrities use this bathroom to get ready, but we also do makeovers in here. The walls are aqua blue and the tile below it is so dated. It's time for the makeover room to get a makeover. The guys from Renovation are doing just that. They're knocking out all the tile, the toilet, the sink, everything must go. We're gonna do a vanity to wash your hands right here, and then we're gonna do a hair washing station right here, so they'll be side by side. I just got back from Lowe's with all of my materials needed. We're ready to go. When you're designing your bathroom, here's a few things to keep in mind. First, figure out how much money you want to spend. Set a budget and work with it. Don't go beyond the means. You're going to go online and find all your inspiration images so that you have plenty of great ideas. Samples are everything, and most of the time, they're free. Test everything out first before you go all gung-ho. Some of the most expensive mistakes happen when people think they know what they're doing, but they really don't. If you don't know how to install tile, then maybe you better leave that to the professional. Same goes for plumbing and electrical. If you ever wonder where your splurge item should go, I say do an accent wall with a luxurious, beautiful tile. I got mine from Artistic Tile. It's made out of a Calicut stone, so it has beautiful veining in it. This is the showstopper. It's small square footage, so it's great bang for the buck. If you have a room that you want to feel taller, lay your tile vertically. If you want it to feel wider, put it on the wall horizontally. That's it. One of the biggest changes that we're doing is adding a hair washing sink for all of those dramatic makeovers that we love to see. Some people might be afraid of using black paint in a small space. Not this girl. The colors I'm going for are warm, rich, dark colors with an accent of an elegant, light, bright tile. You'd be surprised. Dark colors can make a beautiful bathroom. Let's go right here. In designing this bathroom, I'm really focusing on the beautiful treatment of the wall coverings, making it pop by adding a little bit of greenery and a whole lot of texture with these cool, funky wall art pieces. We went from a Caribbean tropical blue to a really sexy, sleek city vibe. This might be a small space, but it's a huge transformation.